Try to get the caramelization here. And it's a date night meal, come to find out. So you're basically making like just really one of them. This recipe is for one. So if you're going to do 2 or 4 family, double up. We've been trying to find recipes really where we can cook for one person. And I'll show you guys the video again what we're working with here. Hold on. Get that on the right temperature. All right, so here's basically what we're working with. All right. Butter, onions, garlic in the pan. Add the spinach. See how they speed it up so. Salt, pepper, breadcrumbs. I'm not doing no breadcrumbs. I hate breadcrumbs. So basically you're making a spinach and cream cheese. That's going to go on top of your salmon. Wrap it up in the phyllo dough. And then just put your little design on there. Put it in the oven. Spinach is going in, guys. And we see these videos on Facebook and we watch them like 1,000 times trying to figure it out. They do come with a link to the recipe to slow it down. So one of my viewers, friends in the neighborhood, tagged me in this recipe while I was sitting actually at the grocery store trying to figure out what to cook. And luckily, I had all of these things here at the house already, so I didn't really have to buy anything. And so, wait a minute, I'm going to look in just to see what goes in right after. Because the spinach only takes a second, but I'm trying to see. I know I'm going to put in half a thing of cream cheese. And I'm not even going to do a half a thing of cream cheese because I know spinach is going to whip down to nothing. And that's about 6 ounces. They required about 5 ounces of cream cheese. So I know I don't want to use a lot of cream cheese on this. I'm trying to see what went right after that. You put in, okay, wait a minute. Whip that down. I put my pepper in, put pepper in there. The cream cheese, breadcrumbs, and okay. So basically 2 pounds of cheese. Put a little pepper in there. I think I put salt on the onion, so I'm not going to go with the salt. And that's pretty much it, really. We don't need a lot. Remember, Jason had me dial back my stuffing. Feel like some kind of liquid. But, and notice there's not a lot of juice coming out of my spinach here. Like, why is there not a lot of juice coming out of my spinach? Now, I'm going to go into, I'm going to look at this video one more time. That's what the music you hear. I'm watching a video back there behind you guys. So once the spinach is ready, which it is, come on, spinach, okay, my spinach looks like that, breadcrumbs, cream cheese, my dill, there's my dill going in, my cream cheese going in. I don't want a lot of cream cheese, one more, all right, cream cheese, and then some parmesan. And I'm doing my cheeses to taste, y'all. I'm not. Well, that's all the Parmesan I got. So, but I think I might want to put a little bit on top. All right. So now, just let that melt on through. And this is going to top the salmon. This goes on top of the salmon. It stopped. Hey, it's still going. is like a stuffing. I keep saying phyllo though. The puff pastry is going. This is going to sit on top of the salmon. That's going to really truly make the Wellington. I thought I had enough cream cheese in there. I like the cream cheese. Hey Dexter, I like the cream cheese taste. I don't want it to take over the spinach, right? How many of you go get the spinach artichoke dip and you want like a little bit, want more spinach than cheese? I think that's perfect. It smells good. Really smells good. I might even want to hit that off with a little bit of mine. You know what they say about black women? Black women got to put that paprika in there. And I see that my cheese is like getting a little fry to it, my parmesan. I think I'm going to hit it. I smell like I need a little salt. I forgot with that spinach, a little bit of salt. Definitely don't want to have to cook. I'm going to taste it in a second. You definitely don't want to get to the end of your meal, y'all, and not have enough salt. So I'm going to get a little piece of this spinach here. Oh my God, that parmesan is good. Okay, turn it off.